Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to teach you an easy yet powerful tool for creating calm and resetting your nervous system anytime you feel stressed. It's called havening. Havening lowers stress hormones and creates delta brainwaves, which are associated with deep relaxation. It's a simple and effective way to reduce tension and anxiety and improve your well-being. I'll also be sharing my own twist on it that I find to be even more effective. Havening involves gentle touch of the face, arms, and hands, which stimulates sensory nerves in the skin that can signal the body to relax. Please note this video is for educational and informational purposes only. If at any point you feel uncomfortable, please pause or stop the process and take care of yourself in whatever way feels right. Okay, before we begin, please make note of how stressed or anxious you're feeling on a scale from 0 to 10. Just noticing wherever you're at on that scale, and I'll invite you to check in with yourself again after the exercise to see how much it improved. All right, let's dive in. So the first step of havening is to simply stroke your forehead from the middle outward, just as if you're smoothing out a tension headache. It can be extremely light or it can be a little bit deeper. Whatever feels most comforting to you. And just go ahead and experiment with how light or deep of touch feels best to you. But in general, it will just be very gentle, slow and soothing. And taking some nice deep breaths, releasing more and more stress and tension with each stroke and each breath. That's right. And now stroking under the eyes, just gently and slowly. Might seem unusual, but it's proven to affect the nervous system in a very positive way. Okay, very good. Maybe just soothing your temples, releasing any tension in there. And now for the arm portion, placing your hand on the opposite shoulder and just gently stroking down to your elbows. Light, soothing touch. Smoothing away the tension. How good it feels to have this comforting touch. Smoothing down your energy, feeling more and more grounded. Just letting it all go. Very good. And then the final step is simply just rubbing your hands together softly and slowly, whatever way feels best. sensory nerves in our hands and fingers. I think there's a reason why people sometimes wring their hands when they're stressed. It's intuitively knowing there's something very comforting about it. And you could also just really focus your attention on all the fine ridges of your hands and fingers, feeling all of those sensations. Very good. And now I will share my own twist on it that I find even more powerful, which is once you've done the forehead stroking and the cheek stroking under the eyes, just simply cupping your face in your hands. There's a branch of the vagus nerve that runs in front of the ears, so this can be extra signaling that to your nervous system that it's time to relax. Sometimes when little children need comfort, their parents will just cup their face in their hands, as if to say, it's okay, all is well. And you can do that if it feels right for your inner child or any scared parts of you. Just letting them know all is well. I'm here with you, dear one. Sending love to any parts of you that are scared or anxious. It's okay, precious one. All will be well. And then for the arm portion, I like to start with my hands a little bit higher and just gently squeezing this area. It's an area where we tend to hold so much tension. So just releasing some of that muscle holding. However much pressure feels good to you. That's right. And then stroking down your arms all the way down this time to your hands. So it's just one fluid sweeping motion. And again, squeezing your shoulders, releasing that tension, just a gentle self-massage. It could be a deeper massage if that feels good. And again, sweeping all the way down. One fluid motion. And again, squeezing the shoulders, maybe getting the back of the shoulders a little bit more. Wherever you're noticing tension. And again, sweeping down to your hands. Very good. And just taking a moment now to settle. Tuning in more to your body. Feeling more embodied now. taking a couple more deep breaths. Just doing whatever feels natural to you. Shaking it out. And go ahead now and check in with yourself about where you're at on that rating scale from 0 to 10 of how stressed or anxious you're feeling. Noticing how much it's decreased from when we started. Hopefully it's gone down significantly. And if it has, then this may be an exercise you might want to incorporate on a daily basis, or anytime you're wanting to feel more relaxed, or if you want help falling asleep. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. If this supported you, tap the save button below so you can return to it anytime you like to be guided in this process. Also click the link on the screen now to watch the next video in my nervous system reset playlist. And if you'd like more practices like this, go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again and see you next time.